Hello, this is Tara from Bearded Donkey, and in our last video, I was playing Jelly Chuck, and I could not get past this part in this level. This one part is near the beginning, so let's see if I can do it this time. Yay! Okay. Happy Wheels controls. This was the part that was really hard if you didn't watch it. Well, how did I not do that last time? What's so special about this time? Gosh, this game. Gear down. Okay. Oh no. No, you. Yay, squish it. Lower. And get under. Okay, steamroller. I guess the steamroller helps you go up hills better. Or something. Probably, yeah. Okay. Next mission. This level 4. Okay. We start on the steamroller. This is a fun steamroller. Okay, so steamrollers are good, I guess. Has anybody else played this game? And if you have, do you enjoy just flipping across these bridges? Like, whee! Oh, this looks fun. Okay. Oh, God, no. Am I stuck? What now? Do I die now? No? Well, what's here? What is... Okay, I'm dead. I'm dead! What is this? Did I win? No. Now I have to do this whole thing over again. Okay. Now comes the fun part. Squish. It's like an alligator. Not really. Okay. Oh, a beach ball. A beach ball! Yeah, is right. You better say yay. Okay, what is that? That thing is scaring me. Ow! Well. Let's go. So, I wasn't really aware that you could die here. Oh no. Okay, slight interruption. We have to do this part again. Is this gonna squish me? No. Dang it. I'm a flying bird truck. type thing. Boy, that was fun. Just, it's like football, not really. Whee! All I have to do is cross the floor. Yes! And time for the next level. This is a very... I don't know what I have to do here. No, don't. I guess I have to keep the block in here. Yeah. So that makes sense. Whee! Whee! We're going up the hill. Going up the hill. Pop a wheelie. I did it! Yay! Okay, so this level is level 7. Just jive it. Can I skip it? Oh, dang it. I feel like they're trying to kill me. This looks painful. It is painful. Okay. I wish I had that race car, because that makes it easier. No, go. You're gonna smush me, Jaws. Don't. Please. Be nice. Okay. No, don't. Oh, God. Okay. I guess that's about all for Jelly Truck for now. See you next time on Bearded Donkey. Ouch.